Hello there. We're going to see a real mixed picture in terms of the weather across Europe for the coming few days. High pressure holds on for much of the continent. You can see on the satellite image this dome of clear skies stretching across the UK towards Denmark, into Poland as well. Further south, we've had a lot of cloud that's in the Mediterranean, and that's going to continue to pour some showers in, particularly for parts of eastern Spain over the next few days. Southern France as well, seeing some of those downpours. Also an area of low pressure moving into Portugal from the Atlantic. Further east, and it's still cold for the time of year across Turkey and Greece. Temperatures in Athens just 9 degrees or so, but it is looking largely dry. Head our way across Spain and Portugal. The unsettled weather is setting in here, so a fair bit of rain, could be more than 100 millimetres towards Valencia, which could cause some flooding issues through this week. But largely dry for the UK, in towards Denmark, and much drier across Norway compared to all that wet weather that we saw during the latter part of last week. Now, heading through into Monday, we've still got a lot of heavy downpours lingering across Spain and Portugal. They're going to be quite slow moving, but higher pressure brings drier and warmer weather elsewhere across the continent. So here's the outlook. London, Paris and Rome all looking drier and a bit warmer through the course of the week, but Madrid will keep heavy downpours for at least the next 5 days on and off. Elsewhere, further east across Europe, and temperatures will be slowly on the rise. Athens will lose the showery weather and we could see 20 degrees by Friday. Bye-bye. Hello. Low pressure has been moving its way eastwards across North America, bringing some disruptive weather over the past few days. You can see this curl of cloud here. Still some heavy showers left on that, but it's tending to push out into the Atlantic. The tail end of that frontal system just lingering down towards Florida on Sunday. Could be some stormy weather here. And for eastern Canada, it's still windy with some snowfall around too. Further west, we've got another couple of areas of low pressure that you can see here, so some further snowfall to come across the Rockies and up towards British Columbia. The next area of low pressure is sweeping its way in for Sunday, so still unsettled, windy weather with rain close to the coast for Vancouver, for instance, but over the mountains that'll be falling as snow. So that's pushing towards the Pacific Northwest. A bit of a window of drier weather further south in towards California, but 1 or 2 showers just lingering across parts of Arizona, but brisk winds for New Mexico, still a bit of a heightened fire risk there. Vancouver and Seattle seeing some wet weather persisting for the next few days. San Francisco and Los Angeles look a little bit warmer and drier too. Not as warm as it has been for Montreal and New York, but that weather front will have cleared away by Sunday. So we're left with quite a brisk northwesterly wind blowing, some sunshine down towards Georgia and northern Florida, but still some heavy showers and thunderstorms lingering down towards Miami there. So we're going to be seeing things warming up a little bit in New York over the next few days and showers clear from Miami. Bye-bye. Hello. We've had some stormy weather pushing northwards across South America over the past few days on an active weather front. We can see it here on the satellite image, this line of cloud. So that is pushing in towards northern Brazil, heading up towards Paraguay and Bolivia. So still some sharp downpours on that frontal system. There could be some localised flooding. To the south of that, much cooler air has been moving its way north across the continent. So a dip in the temperature for the like of Rio de Janeiro, for instance, as that front moves its way northwards. And further north, some heavy downpours too across Colombia, in particular Ecuador, northern Peru as well. Looking drier as we head towards the east coast of Brazil here, but towards Rio there's the heavy downpours on that frontal system pushing northwards. So cooler but drier conditions through central and northern parts of Argentina, and we're seeing some showers moving in on that blustery wind down towards Patagonia. So Rio will keep outbreaks of showery rain over the next few days and a real drop in those temperatures behind the front as well. More rain heading towards Buenos Aires later in this coming week. For Mexico, still the remnants of a frontal system lingering through the Gulf of Mexico and the Bay of Campeche, bringing some fairly heavy showers around through the day on Sunday. They will be easing away over the next few days, but some downpours across parts of Nicaragua, for instance, as well. A few showers for the Caribbean, but fairly few and far between here. But we will see some rain arriving in both Havana and in San Jose later this coming week. Bye for now. Hello, let's take a look at the weather across Africa and the Middle East. And the remnants of ex-tropical cyclone Gombe still bringing quite a lot of moisture across parts of Madagascar, Mozambique as well. So still some heavy showers lingering around here at the moment. Further north across Africa, well, showers in the Mediterranean and cold air is working its way in. So temperatures certainly below average for the likes of Algeria, Tunisia and Libya, with some blustery showers around at times too. Further south across much of southern Africa, sunny spells and a few scattered showers, most of them staying away from Cape Town, where it should be largely dry and warm. Here's the outlook then for the next 5 days or so. Cape Town staying largely dry and settled. Johannesburg seeing a bit more cloud, and that could produce some outbreaks of rain during the day on Monday. Elsewhere then, it's hot and dry for Khartoum. There'll be some showers moving in towards Casablanca later in the week, but thunderstorms should tend to clear away from Kinshasa. Head to the Middle East now, and cool air is working in from the eastern Mediterranean across the Levant. Temperatures just 11 degrees there in Damascus. It is a bit warmer than it has been across central parts of Saudi Arabia and across the Gulf too. And we've had some fairly brisk Shamal winds. Still that breeze coming in from the northwest. There could be some areas of lifted dust, but not as breezy as it has been here over recent days. So the outlook is for things to turn warmer for Muscat, Dubai and for Riyadh too. Staying dry and sunny in Kuwait. Bye-bye. Hello there. We've seen some very high March temperatures over recent days across parts of Pakistan, Afghanistan and northern India as well. Several places have been above 40 degrees. We've had 44 across parts of Pakistan. Still, that pre-monsoon heat is going to be sticking around over the next few days, but it won't be quite as hot as it has been. So temperatures generally below 40 degrees for most areas. Few showers developing across southern parts of India, and in the Bay of Bengal, the potential for a tropical depression to form. That is going to pile its way northwards, bringing some really heavy rain to Myanmar, and potentially later in this coming week it may head close to the east of Bangladesh. Heading into Central Asia now, and cold once again across Kazakhstan, -7 for Nur Sultan. A drier window of weather for a time for Turkmenistan, but we have got a few snow showers pushing off the Caspian Sea there. Largely dry and settled for Afghanistan and Pakistan into the northwest of India. Just a few showers as we move down the west coast for the likes of Karnataka, down towards Kerala. Goa as well could see some of those showers. And for Sri Lanka, we're set to see a few showers interrupting the sunshine. Nothing particularly heavy. Move our way northwards and a few showers linger up towards Assam as well. But the outlook's a dry one for Mumbai, Dhaka and Islamabad. Colombo will stick with that story of sunny spells and scattered heavy showers, and a few thunderstorms possible at times too. Tashkent turning a little bit milder for a day or so, and sunny spells continue for Chennai. Bye-bye. Hello there. We're set to see some increasingly unsettled, wet and windy weather across New Zealand over the coming few days as low pressure moves in there. We'll look at that in a moment. Further north, here's the satellite image across Southeast Asia. Shows a lot of clouds, some heavy downpours expected, particularly across parts of Myanmar, but also for southern Thailand into the southern Philippines as well. Meanwhile, further north, higher pressure for the Korean Peninsula and Japan brings a drier but cooler spell of weather here. Still a few wintry showers coming in off the Sea of Japan. A slow-moving front brings heavy rain to the east of China, including the Shanghai region, which could see between 100 to 200 millimetres of rain. Flooding impacts are possible there. Plenty of heavy downpours further south across the Malay Peninsula and into central parts of Indonesia too. Here is the outlook over the next 5 days or so, and it's going to be turning increasingly wet once again for Osaka through the middle part of this week. Beijing still staying largely dry. And across Australia, lots of dry settled weather here. A few showers moving into the far southwest and a few downpours across northern parts of the Cape York Peninsula. But things are going to be turning cooler for the likes of Adelaide. Now, as we cross the Tasman Sea, here is this area of low pressure, bringing heavy downpours across the North Island. Strong northerly gales developing too, and that shifts its way further south through the first half of this coming week. So things are looking pretty unsettled in Wellington, but some drier weather on the cards later in the week. Bye-bye.